You get one small boy when he never feel clean kata. If you travel abroad, not mean anything, no. The most useless people when come up for this country go abroad now. Most of them they useless past people when they Nigeria. Most of them they useless past people when they push with wheelbarrow. So you go abroad, it no guarantee your future say go dey okay before you buy. A few days ago, people they tell me say one dirty boy is making video about me. I say, I don't know any dirty person. No, I only have good people around me. But the only dirty person when I know say they get that name, and my dog I give that name that time for Ishan. Because people they look for what to sell, you must carry on. Because my name is involved, it go sell. Say, I don't even listen, I don't want to listen because na turn by turn they do my thing. I know they do things they pursue 2 people at a time. I don't pursue 2 rabbits at a time. Anyone when I hope must go down before I think of another one. See, if I go hunt, I dey kill 2 rabbits. No one when they escape, but not at a time. If I pursue one finish, that one don't buy. I put them for my bag, or I'll follow the second one when he run. I go see where he run, put I'll see finish and carry come home. I'm a good hunter. I don't hunt 2 things at a time. So long God keep us alive. Why would they hurry? This same boy now let me the summon. Never summon me anywhere one day. I summon her for him, then join her. They not do the sum again, they not look at the case, they just join her. I say, okay, this one will not work. There's a place they call Awanuho. I summon her for Awanuho, he refused to go. More than a month, he refused to go. The day when someone not they call the fear, things I want to arrest. The day when they not expecting he go there, he say, wait me. The message now you want to give us data, be now you they give them. They tell the man say, no, they come again, no, he know they come, oh. He actually did not go. The man said I should come and swear for us. I say, no, I don't swear like that, too. Me, I know they swear for people like that. Make him come talking, oh, how you would they bring my generator, or if I not carry you go bury a gram, maybe you can't swear. The guy not go back there. See, not go back, can't go somewhere around again for Oswamba. Oswamba say they know they call their name on the internet. Then he can't go call Oswamba name. Me suppose they update people. He can't go call Oswamba name. I reported to Oswamba say, una say make we not call una name, but this guy call. They call and there, he begin they swear, say no do video. Video went there everywhere. Good and fine. I don't already see the handwriting. Then the person when they represent me there, they say they don't accuse that one, say you're not supposed to represent me. That means I have to be on the ground. Because that man is working there so that they be like, say, why would I say, which kind temple be that one? In my temple, I will give you my number. You will call through my number. So why Oswamba they do things like say television when not clear? So if I'm in abroad and I take number of the person when I summon through, and they talk through that number, why will you ban the person say, make I not talk through the person again? Either I am there or I send somebody. We never even talk now whether I will visit there as I did in Nigeria or not. This idiot when they run, they go. My generator, you know, that they say, he get money there, and he will pay me my generator. I said, you can't pay me my generator. I need my generator. You also need to swear. This one when you they run for, you say I not help you. You also need to swear whether I not carry you go bury a ground when you be nobody. I not collect 1 cent for you. I carry you go bury a ground, go work for you, bath you, do everything. Midnight, around 2 midnight. I still carry you put for my society so that make them they work for you, make you get members, make them they carry you. I still carry you go Lagos, go give them my immediate elder brother, make them put you for meeting so that you will be the one that they carry. I don't know where I do wrong inside you. You carry my generator run. That is called stealing by trick. I'm still repeating it. So now, you not go there, go swear. You suppose use your opportunity to swear. So yeah, I want to swear. Oh, if you ever help me, if you ever carry me, go back again. If I go carry generator for your house. So why you can't be saying now? Now you can't come and you think say I don't fade or I don't run or I dey fear. Say the whole world they talk nonsense about me. You two can't come outside and make your video. You will not scratch me. You do under my slippers. But waiting on they baffle me now. It's almost a week now that I summon you in Ayelala. You never come and come make video. Since Oswamba say they not go use person when they talk to their member till they talk again. I don't know say they still they take bribe for Oswamba. So if you know they take bribe, why you go they fear say if member using phone, I use member phone they connect, meaning he take bribe. You know, still they take bribe for where did you dey? I not trust una again. Person make video, I send una the video, now see the link. The thing when una say person when he make that video, carry una come outside, talk about now the fine, una not find this guy. Then una not they trusted for me to handle my case there. So Oswamba, what they call it, they fail in 3 things that I mentioned. I send you the link of this guy who go against una rules. I mean, I know say as a big give update, but now make me not to give update about the case. So now they forbid, they not they call una name online on social media. Somebody do video, call una name, talk to me anyhow online with the member who is working there. I'm still waiting for una action as promised. Now I don't shift go Ayela like up. I know say Ayela lab you know they do wayo those days. Now justice. Temple of justice. So waiting they baffle me now. I never see any blogger when blogger now say that dirty boy don't talk say then summon for Ayelala. You can't keep quiet like say you know here. Like say they not summon you. I hear say you say I dey run. I don't understand the run or I dey lie. The thing they very simple. Now 2 summons. Now they summon you everywhere I've ever summoned you. I say you say I not help you, I not carry you go work for you for burial ground. Swear, if I not carry you go burial ground, go bath you, not be even just to go talk. Put you on top of burial ground, bath all your problem come off, but since that time you start to succeed. 1, if you not come carry generator for my house, swear. This is called stealing by trick. You carry my generator, you are now on the run. If you say I wanted to arrest you with police, I will write petition for Lagos. Whether you they come down for airport, you they come play music. You know, say as they go now, you know, go fit come play music for Asian people for Lagos. If I mean you, I will tell you I am the Oluomo of Lagos. But I don't need that. You too small for me to deal with. I just leave you with your mumu. But if you say I want to follow police way, it's called stealing by trick. I still stand on my ground that you came to steal my generator in stealing by tricks. Because ever since you carried that generator, you have been on the run, even as we speak now. It is very simple. If not, they say blogger they find waiting the one shop. Oh boy, you go in house, go carry generator or not. You pay, you not pay. Why you don't want pay? You be thief. After all this man say he do for you, he say carry you go bury again, go back you. That time cost day upon your life, cost too heavy. Did this man actually take you to burial ground to go and bath you? Can't swear. But una do like my name. Now use and make money, but God will use una make money. I know they look for one join because these people too small for me to handle spiritual, physically. So now waiting they baffle me. I they do my ear like this. I they do my ear for ground like this. I never hear say you cry come as I say I don't summon you for Ayelala. I don't summon you in over 5 days since last week. Why you not come tell them? Say the man when you say a lie, The man when you say it's on the run, he don't go summon you again, no. He not there on the run again, no. Now juju will finish you. If I finish with Ayelala, I'll go summon you for Ogun of Ifon. If you not come carry generator from my house. If I not carry you, go bury your ground, go work for you free of charge as my boy then. And if your life not start to peak the moment I handle your situation, I go use juju, make sure say you know will get future. They will say that guy used to rain, no, that guy used to do this, so you will turn to used to. Because I know they owe you one cent, you are owing me. Okay, said, master, I bought for you then 20,000. You not give me master, you not give me 20,000 back. When you sing with your mother, Maggie, something like that. You not give me master, you not give me money back. 20,000 still there your hand. Then 20,000 be like 200 to 500,000 words. Early 2000. I beg, come and tell them say the man you dey temper with don't go summon you for Ayelala. Now so I will summon you round, they'll come swear for you if you not go. Now just two things. I know say shame will let you, shame of social media will let you swear say I not carry you go bury a grant. But if the cost not work, never work later. If you not work now, it will work later. And meanwhile, I still there in Nigeria, not be say I don't come out. You just hear say stupid people, they carry my name, they go. You say wrong, come outside. So I take boy, she not be my name. Now the name I get now I take help you now. Spiritually and physically. But nevertheless, I never listen to your audio. Because I don't have your time. If I listen to your audio, if threat they inside that audio threat, I will send you to prison for Nigeria. You say as you mumu finish, you not get sense. On a very good day, I will calm down listening to the audio. If threat they inside, I will send you to prison. When they say threat like this, I never listen. No. I tell them say people when they send that to me, even they insult and say for what? Now one by one they handle my things turn by turn. If threat, one single threat they inside, you will go prison for my hand. You will go prison for my hand. So as you not great an answer and say I don't summon you for Ayelala, and then make I come help you an answer to your gullible. You not even get one, you be mumuna. They are only carrying that thing because of me. They carry your nonsense when you talk because of me. If you say na lie, if you want to know, go insult another person. Go challenge another person. Whether blogger will even help you carry and come up for your page like this. Now there you go know say you be nobody. Now my name, I make blogger carry. Whether carry for good, carry for bad, now my name. So I don't summon you since how many days ago. After this video now I will drop the summon for my page. I made your gullible people ask you, say, this man don't summon you since how many days? Why you not come tell us again now? You tell us say they run, he lie. Because I don't trust Oswamba at this juncture. So I need a trusted juju and people worshipping it. I don't trust Oswamba. They just did two things that make me to say no. That means they do compromise in that place. And as we speak now, I still believe in Ayelala more than many Jews. So now I have summoned you over 5 days ago in Ayelala. You know, come public come talk. I mean, they never send that to me. Maybe you don't talk, they never send that to me. Oh. Make I back my back, Jerry. Momo, now the bios work, bioji. Instead, may you born Momo, may you born thief, now better pass. It's your mouth, the way your mouth like this. They don't say be Momo. Momo will always be Momo forever. Now the bios work, bioji. Zogbe.